Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna start off with our first website, which is gonna be a simple hello world. And in this video, I'm just gonna be talking about the basic HTML format of what you need to have to start your HTML document. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to your code editor and create in a new file. Save that file, save it as. So whenever we are saving a document, an HTML document, we need to have two things. The first thing is document name, so I'm gonna just name it YouTube. And then the second thing is .html. So the .html just says that this file is going to be in HTML format file. So you know how whenever you save an image, you save it as the .jpeg or .png. That's exactly what you do here. Whenever you're creating HTML document, you have to say the name of the document and then follow it with .html. So save that, and I'm gonna save that in my desktop. Once you save that, there are three important things that you need to have for you to start your HTML document. So the first thing is we have to define what type of HTML we are using. So open that less than sign and then type in doc type and then close that with the greater sign. So every time whenever you're creating a HTML tag, you have to open it with this less than sign and close it with that. So then the second thing is we have to write HTML in lowercase and then close that off. So what this does is it just it says that this whatever we're gonna be writing is HTML. So that's just an HTML tag. And then inside that you need to have two different things. One a head and then the other one is a body. So to define head, you just say head and then backslash head. And then the second thing is body. Alrighty, so before we jump to the next step, let me explain what this does and why is there two of like head and two bodies in two HTML. So in HTML, every time we're creating a tag, we need to have an opening and a closing tag, and then inside that we can type something in. So for example, this head, see how it closes up here. The way you close it is you just create the same thing of a tag over here, but the only extra thing you add is the forward slash, and then the same thing with the body and everything else. So the head is anything that's not visible in your website. So head includes whenever you want to connect different documents to this document, that's how we use the links inside there to do that. Whenever you're creating your style sheet, the .css, you connect it in your head tags. And then the body is anything that you want to show in your website, anything that's visible in there. So like the paragraphs, the images, all of the stuff goes inside your body. So go ahead and save this. And now it created the document right over here. What I'm gonna do to open that up in my browser, I'm just gonna drag and drop it into my browser and it opened it up right there. So what we want to show is hello world inside our document right here. So we are gonna go to our body and say hello world and save that. So every time you create something new or a new tag inside your HTML and you save it, you have to refresh your page. So you're gonna see hello world. Now you can type in whatever you want over here. Welcome. And it's gonna say welcome. Oh, the last thing, sorry, I forgot. You have to type in HTML, so that shows which version of HTML you're using. So we are using HTML5. You just say HTML and that's it. So yeah, sorry, I forgot that to tell you in the beginning. It still works without it, but that's just good, just so your document knows what version you're using. And then and then in the head section, what let's put in something over there. So you see this document name over here, it says youtube.html. Whenever we saved our document, that's what we named it, but we don't always want that. We want to put whatever we want in there, so we can go ahead and change that by typing this tag title. Ah, and then you do the same thing like I said. You open the tag and you close it, and then to put your title in there, you just type in my first website. So you go ahead, save that, and you refresh your website. If you look right over here, the document, it changed the name of it, so it says my first website. Now you can put whatever you want in there, blah blah blah. So save that and refresh it, and you're gonna see that all over here. So that's all you do for you to start your first Hello World website. And then in the next video, I'm gonna get more in depth into uh, what we can put in our document, I mean in our body and in our header. And I will see you guys in the next video. Leave a comment, and if you have any questions, and I will make sure to get back to you.